Hi, everybody. We're talking today about a wheelchair accessible shower. One of the most important aspects for people that have major mobility issues is to be able to get into their shower. You're going to see here that there's just no way for a wheelchair to access some of these things. Look at that access. There's no chance that a person can get in there. That doorway is way too small. And if you're talking about a tub, a person has to actually transfer from a chair into another chair inside the bathtub. Talk about impossible. That really becomes difficult, and you have to have somebody that helps you. Wouldn't it be better if there was a way for that person to be able to access the shower on their own and without having to climb over anything or somehow squeeze through a door that's impossible without the help of a caregiver? So what we do to solve that problem is we go ahead and we put together what's called a roll-in shower. And we'll prepare the shower to be able to be accessible to a wheelchair to simply roll in. So we'll put the shower pan together, creating the ability to put tile over the top of that pan. And you can see here, you can roll directly from the main bath floor into the shower with a wide enough entry for a wheelchair to be able to get through. That's one example. And then over here to the right, you got another one. You can actually put a sliding glass door on. As long as there's a sliding glass door presents the ability for a wheelchair to get in there, it's fantastic. And then the person in the chair can immediately get into their shower on their own if they have to, and be able to take a shower. Independence is fantastic. Everybody wants to be independent, and this allows for that independence to occur. So if you take and look at all of the aspects of a home to make it a wheel accessible home, a wheel accessible shower is probably one of the most important things. So you want to know more? Get a hold of us. It's barrierfreecontractors@gmail.com, or get a hold of me at Mike Donnelly at 239-989-8406. I want to thank you for taking a look at this, and get a hold of us so we can help you have a much better life, and those that you love, of course.